Is that drive-through pharmacy?
Yeah, you never seen that?
What
They're everywhere, yeah. Oh, there's
Sonic, yes.
Oh, it's not a drive-in though.
It is.
Is it?
Around here.
Are they coming with roller skate?
No. I don't think they'd have that anymore.
Well, no,
Some
Tim
place
said
does.
some do sell the roller skates.
No.
Yeah.
I was really hoping to see a roller waitress. It's so classic, right?
So tater tots, okay. Oh, he said corn dogs as well. Oh, the popcorn chicken.
Yeah,
Oh,
popcorn chicken, yes. We got some recommendations from local writer.
Oh, they come out? No way.
Really?
They come out.
Welcome to Sonic. This is Leah. How are you doing today?
Good, thanks. Hey, what do you have a vegetarian burger?
She doesn't understand you.
Are you dead? Oh.
No, we don't.
Oh. What is vegetarian or not got meat in it?
Onion ring,
All that brown stuff.
pretzel.
No, we don't have anything.
Oh.
We are in America, Paul. I'm gonna show you what to eat in the US. Whataburger.
This is American cuisine. Guess what size drink this is?
I guess it's small.
It's medium.
Is it medium? Oh, okay. It's so big, American size. Whataburger is based in San Antonio, Texas. And you can find the stores across the southeastern and southwestern United States. Let's see. Why it's upside down?
So you can pick it up like this?
Oh, I see it. How is it?
Bun's good.
Yeah, bun's good. Mine's upside down too. The fries are nice. The bun is so big, isn't it? Whataburger uses 5-inch bun. It's so big. You need to use both hands to eat. That was quite a big burger. I can eat only half.
Too much for you?
Yeah.
On the menu, it's hard to tell how big it is.
Great job, honey.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yours is much neater.
Maybe this one's too big though. Folding a paper is a Japanese thing. We can't help it. Nice and clean.
Even Japanese garbage is clean. Show some respect for your GoPro.
Oh yeah, see? You like mambo.
Mambo?
Yeah.
What's mambo?
It's like a really flat fish.
Oh, flat fish with the eye sticking out?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Today, we came to try soul food. Soul food is originating in the southeastern United States and from African American culture.
Everything here is bad for you, but it's good.
Oh, okay.
You don't know Kool-Aid?
No, what is it?
Kool-Aid is just like water with like sugary powder
kinda, yeah.
dropped into it.
Oh yeah! If you're a kid,
Yeah.
you always have Kool-Aid.
And here comes the most unhealthy lunch we had in the US.
It's a lot too.
Looks so unhealthy. Patrick ordered moist, succulent pork chop with 2 sides, mac and cheese and rice with gravy. And also, Eric ordered the same thing.
Well, now I got extra gravy.
Yeah, it looks good though.
She dropped it in the gravy.
Oh yeah? How is it? Good? How's the rice with gravy? As a Japanese, I really cannot believe this combination.
It's good.
Yeah?
It's different though, actually.
Here comes my dish.
There's that.
Yeah? 3 pieces of fried chickens and green beans and potatoes on the side. Looks so good.
You get KFC, you don't use a fork and knife?
Nope, never. Did you hear that sound? So so crunchy. Cornbread came after the meal. It's good after this oily chicken. So good. And also a dessert. Banana pudding. Good. We are so full. Nap time. Our dinner. Where are we?
Bubblegum Alley.
It's all bubble gum on the wall. It's kind of little bit smelly, and I wanna get out of here. Oh, so many of them. Wow, that one is so big. Thanks. In-N-Out Burger. In-N-Out Burger is one of the top-rated fast food restaurants in the Southwest and Pacific Coast. Is it tasty, Trevor?
Fries are a bit disappointing.
Tasty?
Yeah.
Here you are.
This one for me?
Yes.
Good. What the heck was that? I've never seen anyone eat a burger like that.
What do you mean? So I eat bottom first and then top and then mixing my
I think we
mouth.
should have got that on video. She's recording. We're in America. We gotta use burger American way.
Just squash? Really? Nice! Five Guys. Hello! We are in Five Guys now. Today, I get the special camera girl.
Hello.
Her name is Ruby. So Five Guys better than McDonald's?
Yeah, it is.
Is it much better?
Much better.
Okay, I trust you. Five Guys now it's located all over the US and Canada.
I recommend the one that I'm getting is just a burger with no mustard.
I like mustard.
You could just say everything.
Oh, okay, everything.
Well, I'm going to show you guys how to get water. Water. Let's go. Water. Okay, so done. And I'm done. That's how you do it. So say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Hiroko.
How do you rate Five Guys? I give it 10 stars.
So 10?
It's 10.
Maybe 9.
Okay. How do you rate Five Guys right now?
Right now, I got nothing. I just only get the ketchup.
Okay, so we're going to see how she rates Five Guys. How do you rate Five Guys?
I haven't eaten it yet. You want some peanuts? It's fine.
Oh yeah, Five Guys has the peanuts. Free. Let's go see the peanuts. Oh,
You can
it's
get a
okay.
big scoop or a little scoop.
So how you break these things are like, I just bite mine. And then I think now we should get some ketchup. I'm going to get my ketchup.
Okay.
Okay. Ketchup.
Oh, there's not much coming out, huh?
There's another one though. Okay. We got
Nice.
the ketchup. Which one do you like? Water or beer?
Oh, I like both.
So we're going to go get the burger. Okay. Now I got bacon and everything.
Oh, yes. This This is the American way to eat the burger. Just open your mouth as much as possible.
And I love normal burger with jalapenos.
Jalapeno?
I love jalapeno.
Oh, spicy.
Is that the little one or the regular one?
It's a little one. Little
Oh
one
man, I
has
should have ordered the little one.
So
regular one has a two meat.
Okay.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I just want to put ketchup.
Really?
Oh.
Too much, isn't it?
I always do this and then just
Oh,
my
you're
tongue.
wild. Wild child.
Wild child.
Yeah, for sure it's better than McDonald's. Looks better.
How's it compared to In-N-Out?
I don't know, which do you like better?
But do you guys
Maybe
rate it?
In-N-Out.
I will give Five Guys 8.5 stars. If you enjoyed the video,
Please subscribe. Okay, I said it wrong. Please subscribe.